Okay, I'm feeding Ellis. Ellis, don't. Here's my spoon. There's my thing. Ellis took the bowl, put it on things, started feeding himself. It's like, go. No, Ellis. No. Don't feed Lucy. Lucy, you're going outside. Okay, there we go. You come back in after Ellis is finished. Okay? Now, Ellis, you ready for Go-Go to feed you? Are you still just a man on a mission? I mean, he is just like Go-Go. You are too slow. So he is going with his cheese, his sausage. Sausage is a little hot, but looks like this baby's Will's baby. He's got no problems. Loving it. I missed him. It seems like forever. Hadn't seen him since last Tuesday. It's a long time for Go-Go to go. Okay, Ellis, you doing all right? He's a love. My little prison boy.